and it has been extended from the task table. And let's go for change. Okay, now I can see change request. This is the display name, this is the database name, and you can see this is created from task. Okay, now if I'm going to click on task, okay, now you can see this is the table with majority of the common fields in ServiceNow. There are almost 60 plus fields available for you to use. Okay, like approval history, assigned to. These are the generic fields which you are going to use most of the times for most of the clients in ServiceNow. Okay, but the requirement is you want to use majority of the fields from task and you want to customize a table. Okay, that means that I want to create this 70 fields again with the different naming convention. But what if I can able to make use of these 70 fields and use it in my new table that copied automatically? That will be a time and effort saving. In that kind of scenario, you can able to extend this task table while creating. Okay, and how can we do that? Let's continue that in the next class, and I'll show you some shortcuts and some best methods to use ServiceNow better. Okay, so we know what is an incident view, a form view, and what is a list view. But what if I'm going to show you some shortcuts to it? Okay, imagine that you want to go to a specific uh, incident record directly. Okay, you can able to go to a form view, or you can able to go to a list view. Okay, if you want to go to a list view, okay, go to filter navigator or application navigator, type incidents. You have to provide the database name here and type dot list. Okay, then you will be redirected to the list of incident records. Okay? And you want a specific list to be open, but in a new tab. You can able to use this incidents dot capital LIST. It will do the same functionality, but you will be able to open this in another tab. Okay, remember you have to use the database name. For change request, imagine that if I'm going to click change and space request dot list, it will not work out because there is no such table as change space request. But if I'm going to type change underscore request dot list, I'll be redirected to the change request table. Okay, this is a list view. But what if you want to create a record in that specific table directly? So I don't have to go in the change request, type change requests or change, and then go on create new and all this stuff. Instead, I want to create it from here. So I'm going to say change underscore request dot do. Okay, now I can see I have been redirected to the specific record directly. I can able to create a new record from here. Or you can able to say incident dot form. Both will do the same functionality. But if you are going to type incident dot form in the capital, you are inserting a new record in a new tab. Okay, so these are the shortcuts which you can able to use. And remember to use the database name, not the display name. And how can you able to find your database name? Go to tables. In the system definition, find tables, and here you can see. Okay, this is a fixed assets, and this is the database name. Couple of times the database name will be a replica of the display name. Couple of times it will not. Okay, So if you're going to see user table, okay, now we can see there are multiple user tables available. User. The service now doesn't know which table you want to use, you want to query. In that kind of scenarios, you are going to use the database. So if I'm going to say, I want to know the system user record. So I'm going to write this underscore user dot list. So I'll be able to see the users. Okay. Any questions?
So other than this dot list, dot form, what was the other one which you have told us, Irfan?
Two.
Two, right?
Two. BO2.
Okay.
This is what exactly. It says this underscore user dot do.
Do,
It will
okay.
create new record.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So it was
can you please show me this? Have given the application name, right? Like hospitals, you have given that application name in the table, right? When you are creating a table, you have given the application name. Where did you do that? I'm sorry, I missed that part.
I didn't get you. Can you please come again? I'm sorry.
So you have given the application name as hospital, right?
Yes.
So while creating a table, you have given the application, right? Application
Yes.
name, right? So
Yes.
where did you do that?
So you have to do it while creating the table. So if I'm
Yeah.
going to tables, create new here.
New menu name. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And you can able to configure the already existed, because you will not able to see this again if I'm going to open an existing record. Let's see this, and this not updated, and I'm going to open the hospital. Come on, Apollo Healthcare. You will not be able to see this again here.
Okay. So what if I want to modify the name, application name?
In that kind of scenarios, you can able, so here you can see once the page is reloaded, you will not able to see the application. In that kind of scenarios, you have to go on the application menu. This is the next class which we have to talk about.
Okay.
how to
Okay. Yeah.
how to create an application menu, how to create different application modules, and all the stuff. Okay. And if you
Okay.
are going for application menus and sort by recently updated, you will find your application hospitals. Okay. And underneath this application menu, how many application modules will come into picture? Each and everything will be available for you. Okay. And most probably once I complete the extending table part, I'm going to cover the application menus and application modules.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Any questions from you, Iqbal, Sweta?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for the time, and let's connect again tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you.
So, Irfan, do I need to stay back or do I need to? Will you take me the backup class tomorrow?
Let's connect in the evening time, Swati, if possible for you.
Yes. 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 Same morning at 7:30.
I'll let you know the timing. So Kirti is going to come back to you with the proper timing. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Irfan, can you please share the video?
Definitely, definitely. After this class, most probably within an hour, the
Thank
video
you.
will be.
Yeah, yeah, I mean, that's all I'm looking. Thank you.
Kirti
So,
has shared all the videos, right? We have all the recordings, almost like.
yes, all the recordings and all the videos will be shared in the drive, and you will be getting the link. And you don't have to worry about the specific another links. In one specific link only, you will able to get all of these videos. Okay. Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have
Have
a
a
good
good
day.
day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.